Hey everyone, so we're just going to cut to the chase. This is about how to cover your dark circles, and I have some very dark circles. Like, even in all this light, it doesn't do it justice. Now, I'm not saying it's ugly because I kind of grew into liking them, but there are people that don't like them, and I want people to feel confident in their skin. So I'll help you guys out today. What I use to cover my dark circles is a moisturizer. And this is the e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream, and it's really good and hydrating. And you need to hydrate under there because most of the time it's because it's dry and it needs to be hydrated. So I'm gonna hydrate under my eye. I'm gonna just do it on one eye. I'm gonna hydrate it and pat it in. And you don't want to rub under your eyes because rubbing usually causes dark spots and hyperpigmentation anyway. So you want to pat it and let that dry. Now, and this is optional, but you can use a color corrector. And the one I'm using today is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color orange. Thing I do is I get a concealer. The concealers that I use a lot are the LA Girl Pro Concealers. If you can see, this one is in Toffee. I'm going to use that and just pat it in. Next, we're going to set it with a setting powder, and the setting powder I'm using today is Airspun, and it is a really good setting powder. Then lastly, what I'm going to do is set it with a powder that is my tone actually. And I'm using the L'Oreal True Match. The L'Oreal True Match. Well, thank you for watching.